channel. It's been a minute. We've had so many things going on lately, so we haven't had a new video until today. So before we get started, if you're brand new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Go check out our previous videos. We did a studio tour about a year ago. It'll help you kind of get familiar with our space, but you'll also be able to notice a lot has changed. So even just in 1 year, we've upgraded some things, and I can't wait to share with you guys. So what I want to show you guys today are some tips and tricks on how to elevate your studio space, make your life easier as a photographer. These are things that I wish I would have known years ago when I started out with my photography business. As you know, I started out in my kitchen and then my living room, and now I have this beautiful space. And I finally feel that these little hacks that we have now have really simplified my life and just elevated my entire studio space. This is our first stop with this neon sign here. This is your studio name. And this is why I feel like it's an important tip and trick, because you want to be able to have an identity and a brand, and to be able to bring that into your studio. Not only do these signs look so cool, but it also provides a photo opportunity for you and your clients to come and take pictures, kind of like a landmark, right? So you come and you take pictures with your clients, and they check in and they tag and post it on social media. We are at stop number 2, you guys. This is by far my favorite place in the studio. This stunning built-in that we had our handyman, Frank, put together for us. And I am so obsessed with this space. So what I can tell you guys, I cannot stress enough, is make sure you have your organization down. It's so important to have a space in your studio that's organized, that you can quickly come and grab, display your most used props or your favorite props or your must-haves, whatnot, but in a way that is easy to maintain and to be able to visually see what you have available. It makes all the difference in the world. Not only does it display beautifully, but it's also an area for you to go in, grab what you need, put it right back. I knew that part of the built-in, I wanted to still have hanging racks. I wanted to be able to display some of my favorite items for both baby girls and baby boys. And I feel like, just look at it. It turned out so perfect. I'm obsessed. And we also wanted to incorporate some extra storage space on the bottom to be able to put like our bonnets, our wraps and hats and little knickknacks here that we also use frequently for our studio sessions. So get yourself a storage space. It will change your life. It's amazing. I got my built-in from IKEA, you guys. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars doing built-ins, but just get yourself some system where you can keep everything organized and visually displayed. These here are my top favorite items that I have for my clients. Here is our next stop, which is the older kids clothing racks. What I love to do in this space is just keep it very simple, very minimal. I only display here my favorite pieces or items from the newest collection, and I swap them out every so often. Obviously, this isn't my entire collection, but this allows me to have this very clean space and it's clutter-free. So my simple tip for any of the clothes that you have displayed in the studio, whether it be newborn, it be older kids clothing, or maternity, is getting pretty hangers. And it can be any hangers to match your vibe, your aesthetic in your studio. For my studio, I picked up these metal hangers from Amazon. I absolutely love them. I have them for my newborn clothes and for the older kids clothes. For the maternity, I have pretty wooden hangers. So all of it is very uniform and just kind of ties in together, and it just gives this space a very boutique-like feel. It seems like something so small that can be overlooked, but it really has transformed this entire little space. And it feels very fancy and very cute and luxurious, and I just love it. The thing I recommend is prints. Printing your work, displaying it in your studio. It's kind of like a little art gallery of your portfolio, and it helps clients visualize how their digital files can come to life. I have this new photo book. It's from Simple Prints of Miss India Moon. I loved how it turned out. So, so cute. Look at this baby girl, just chickies. Oh my gosh, these babies grow so fast. So this is why I tell parents all the time, get their photos printed, put them on canvases or photo books, frame them, whatever you have to do, get them off of that digital file. These make for the perfect gift. Parents love them, grandparents love them, they appreciate them. And I absolutely love creating these for my clients. What I love about Simple Prints is how easy it is to order directly through their app. This particular photo book is a 12 by 12 seamless lay flat. I loved how I was able to customize the font for a more modern look. And I was also able to select the image to fill my entire cover here. So how I like to set up my photo books is by placing a full image and then a cropped image of that particular setup, just to give it a different perspective. It looks really cool. As you can see here, you have the full image of little India in this swing and then a nice little crop here. It just looks so beautiful. I also got these canvases from Simple Prints. This is Baby India Moon. We got 2 canvases that we ordered. Both of these are a 12 by 16 size canvas, about 1.5 inches thick. So all of these come individually wrapped, but let me show you what they actually look like. So beautiful. Look at the color and the clarity. So crisp and beautiful. And behind it, you have your little hanging clip. So you're able to hang it pretty easily. So that's that one there. And then we have this one. I also wanted one of the family. I love it when my parents get involved in their newborn sessions and take pictures with their little love. Look how beautiful that turned out. So pretty. I love the look of canvas prints, not just for the studio, but also for your home. I have these all over my house, up my staircase, in my hallways. They look absolutely timeless and so beautiful. I've ordered through Simple Prints in the past and I had great service with them. I highly recommend them, you guys. They offer so many different prints and products. They make such great gifts for friends and family, for gifting clients, you name it. These are just some of the few of the products that I have displayed here, but if you download their app, you'll be able to check all of the different products that they have available to you guys. Simple Prints, thank you. They have given you guys a promo code to use on your next order. I'm so excited about it, so make sure you use it, take advantage of it, throw in whatever you want into your cart and you get 30% off. You'll find the link in the description box below. But look at how cool this is. If you guys use my code, I'd love to see what you guys got. Find me on social media, tag me when you receive your Simple Prints order so I can check it out. Guys, so here we have our final 2 hacks that I want to share with you guys. This is our shooting space of the studio. So this baby here has been the ultimate game changer. I absolutely love it. I could not live without it. It has changed my life and Luciana's. We were both, I want to share a little bit of backstory. So her and I would change these backdrops and they are not easy to change. They're heavy, they're bulky, our poles weren't sturdy. And so it was just such a big headache, but having this system has literally made it a breeze. So it holds up to 6 rolls and it's electric, which, with a press of a button, you can bring these rolls up and down. And this here is a little remote, you guys. It is a dream. It's a must-have for any studio. It's life-changing. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. I also got it on Amazon, so I'll link it for you guys so you guys can check it out, but it's the best. It is incredible. So good. I love it. Oh, can't live without. So this, you guys, is the last and final hack that I'm going to share for now. It's something small but mighty, under $10. We've got these cool little industrial magnets. These are a game changer. So what these little things do is they hold our backdrops. And when I tell you these things are strong, I mean they are strong. They can even hold our huge 9-foot fabric and canvas backdrops with ease. That's how strong they are. So this eliminates the use for tape, which is what we did in the past, ruined all of our backdrops, hundreds of backdrops I ruined just by taping and taking down and just the time it takes between setups. This is like a quick boom and done, 2 seconds. So I'm gonna show you guys how we hang these backdrops with these little magnets and you're gonna thank me later. This is how you get them hung, you guys. 2 seconds, 1 and 2, done. Very easy, it saves so much time. These little suckers are so strong. It takes you know, just to get them off. They're so strong. Check this out. As you can see, I have multiple magnets going up the walls because I have different size backdrops. So best $10 I have spent in my studio. I'm gonna link them for you guys on my Amazon storefront so you guys can check them out. That's it for now, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video on the tips and tricks to help elevate your studio space and save you time. It's literally taken me years to get my studio to where it's at now and figuring out all these little tips and tricks and hacks and whatnot. So my hope is that you will benefit from even at least one of them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next video.